Like old milk in your fridge, traditional money advice can go completely sour. It might have worked once, but now it's silently draining your payday. If you're doing everything right but still feel trapped, welcome to Money Levels. Hit subscribe, because today we're pouring those expired rules down the drain. Meet Mark. He is the ultimate obedient student of the old system. He took out heavy student loans for his engineering degree, landed a stable job, and immediately bought a suburban house because society told him renting is just throwing money away. From the outside, Mark looks like he's successfully capturing the classic American dream. He pinches pennies and meticulously tracks his expenses. Mark followed the traditional financial playbook perfectly. The only problem: that playbook was written for a world that no longer exists. Every single month, Mark watches the exact same sequence play out. His hard-earned salary hits his account, and before he can even celebrate, the automatic withdrawals begin. The heaviest blow comes from his house. Following the old rule that buying a home is always the ultimate path to wealth, Mark bought his property right at the peak of the market. Now, his monthly mortgage swallows a brutal 45% of his take-home pay. With interest rates locked in high, his cash flow is completely suffocated. There is simply no room left to breathe. To fix this financial pressure, Mark turned to another classic piece of advice: track every single penny. So, every evening, an exhausting routine unfolds. Mark and his wife sit hunched over a laptop screen, staring at spreadsheets. Instead of connecting after a long day of work, they find themselves caught in tense, repeating arguments. They fight over a small online shopping delivery. They stress over the price of a weekend coffee. Meticulously categorizing every single dollar doesn't make them feel richer. It just drains their daily mental energy and slowly chips away at their marriage. It turns their home into a quiet courtroom where every receipt is treated as a piece of evidence. And underneath all this daily stress is a comfortable, underlying assumption. Mark believes that if he just keeps sacrificing and manages to save 10% of his income, everything will eventually work out in the end. But the modern math has completely changed. Because Mark didn't start saving in his early 20s, he started at age 30. Like the average professional, that traditional 10% benchmark simply cannot do the heavy lifting anymore. When you factor in the real-world cost of living and persistent inflation, relying on that old advice guarantees he will fall short of a comfortable retirement. The financial safety net he thinks he is building is full of holes. Mark was running faster and faster on the financial treadmill, completely exhausted, yet staying in the exact same place. He was performing rich, but dying inside. Late at night, when the house goes completely silent and his family is fast asleep, Mark often finds himself lying awake on the sofa. He stares up at the dark ceiling, feeling a cold weight pressing down on his chest. It is the quiet, suffocating grip of anxiety. On paper, he has achieved everything he was supposed to. He has the respectable job, the beautiful suburban house, and the car in the driveway. But in reality, he is completely trapped. The true cost of maintaining this perfect, successful appearance isn't just the money leaving his bank account. The real price he paid was his freedom of choice. Mark hates the intense pressure of his current job. He wishes he could step back, find something less stressful, or take a few months off to clear his head and spend time with his kids. But he can't. He doesn't have that luxury. Because he is living with zero breathing room. His entire life has become a fragile house of cards. If he misses just a single monthly paycheck, the whole illusion collapses. The mortgage won't be paid. The car installments will default, and the credit card debt will pile up. He suddenly realizes that the big house and the nice things aren't actually his assets. They are golden handcuffs, holding him hostage to a lifestyle he can barely afford. He is working tirelessly not to build a future, but simply to keep the shadow of collapse away. That's when the brutal truth hit him. Every single dollar you spend on maintaining a fake rich appearance is a dollar you ruthlessly steal from your own freedom. To break out of a trap, you first have to realize that you are inside one. Mark began to look at his life through a completely different lens, questioning the very definitions of success he had been sold. He discovered a concept that changed everything: the invisible wealth system. Real wealth isn't the car you drive or the zip code you live in. True wealth is measured in time, autonomy, and the number of choices you have when you wake up in the morning. It is the wealth that the world cannot see, but your soul can deeply feel. The first traditional rule he challenged was the absolute obsession with home ownership. For decades, we've been told that renting is just flushing money down the drain. But in today's economic environment, with housing prices at historic highs and mortgage interest rates suffocating middle-class incomes, buying a home at all costs is often a financial trap. In many major metropolitan areas, the monthly cost of a mortgage is significantly higher than the average rent for a similar space. Mark realized that by renting a modest, comfortable apartment instead of grinding under a massive mortgage, he could free up thousands of dollars in cash flow every single month. Instead of giving that wealth to the bank in the form of non-recoverable interest, maintenance fees, and property taxes, that capital could be deployed into high-performance assets. By renting and aggressively investing the difference into broad market index funds, you aren't falling behind. You are actually building a much cleaner, more liquid net worth without being tied down to a 30-year debt sentence. Next, Mark stopped playing the exhausting game of counting pennies. Old financial advice tells you to track every single item, blaming your daily latte for your lack of financial progress. But that is a minor decision that drains your willpower while ignoring the real culprits. Mark graduated from strict budgeting to what we call a cash management plan. He realized that if you win the big decisions, your housing and your transportation, the minor choices take care of themselves. By controlling his major, he created massive natural flexibility in his life. He no longer needed to argue over a grocery receipt because his system was optimized at the highest level. Instead of managing envelopes of cash, he automated his future. He created a system where a fixed percentage of his paycheck was immediately routed into low-cost index funds, like an S&P 500 ETF, along with a small, disciplined allocation into protective assets like Bitcoin and gold to hedge against long-term inflation. This money became his army of dollar bills, working tirelessly for him 24 hours a day, compounding quietly in the background. This is just an illustrative example to help you understand the power of long-term compounding. Your actual results will depend on your income, expenses, returns, and investment choices. Every dollar invested early multiplies into a shield that protects your future freedom. Instead of counting pennies, Mark decided to re-engineer his entire financial system. He chose to stop performing and start building. The constant fighting over minor expenses finally stopped. The evening Mark and his wife closed their laptop, looked at each other, and smiled. They were done trying to track every single penny. Instead, Mark opened his banking app to build a system that would work for them, not against them. He implemented the ultimate rule of financial freedom. He chose to pay himself first. The very next payday, the new mechanism went live. The moment his salary landed, 20% of his income automatically vanished from his checking account. Before Mark could even see the balance or feel the temptation to spend it, that money was cleanly swept away into a long-term ETF portfolio. To make the system completely bulletproof, they made a hard but liberating choice to downsize. They moved into a comfortable, appropriately sized space, instantly slashing their fixed living expenses and releasing a massive wave of fresh cash flow. Now, Mark occasionally looks at his phone screen, silently watching his investment balance compound month after month in absolute tranquility. To the outside world, he doesn't look flashy. None of his neighbors know how much money he actually has tucked away. But the heavy background anxiety that used to keep him awake at midnight is entirely gone. He has a fully funded emergency fund, a solid financial floor beneath his feet, and his genuine smile has finally returned. Real wealth is what you don't see. It is choice, autonomy, and peace of mind. Income keeps you alive, but equity makes you free. Stop running on expired advice. What automated change will you make next payday to buy back your freedom? Let us know in the comments below. Like this video, and we'll see you in the next level.